In this video, I'm revealing the results of a ClickBank case study I've just completed. You're going to want to watch this because the results aren't good. Hey guys, it's Gord here. So today I'm revealing what happened when I did a ClickBank challenge or case study. And what I did was I picked a product and sent it to over 2,500 leads, and I'm going to show you in the video now the results of that. And like I said in the intro, it's not good. So we're going to jump into the computer now and I'm going to show you what happened. Okay guys, so I want to go over today my little case study or experiment with ClickBank. And I've kind of done this because you see all over YouTube people saying how easy it is to make money with ClickBank. Now, ClickBank isn't something I've ever promoted. It's not something that interests me, to be fair. And I'm pretty sure that most people out there are going to say I've done something wrong and I'm not doing it right or whatever. But to me, I'm selecting what I think looks a decent offer. I'm sending it out to email leads and I'm waiting for a response. And I want to show you guys what actually happens when you don't have a huge list. So what I've done is I've registered with ClickBank and I selected a offer which I thought I would try and promote. And the one that I did was this taking surveys for cash. And it's a really good little sales page. I'm not going to go into that, but it's all there. It's quite enticing to somebody who's interested in making a little bit of money on the side. So that was my choice for that. I then emailed 730 people on my list, and I also use this My Lead Gen Secret, which is $30 a month, and it's supposed to give you decent leads. Now, I'm questioning this slightly now, and I've even emailed support, and I'll tell you what they said about it shortly. But this is what I've done. So I emailed that offer to 1,700 people, this was it here, this one here. So this was their name. Just got my check for $500 and I emailed it to 700 people a few days ago. The response was 271 opened it, 51 people clicked on it. Straight away, I'm happy with that. That's a really good response. The thing is, when I look at ClickBank, so let me go back to my ClickBank account. Now remember, that was 51 people. There should be 51 hops here, 51 people clicking on that link. Now there's only 3, and that 3 was me testing the link. So what I'm trying to say is this My Lead Generation Secret is saying that 51 people have clicked on it, but on my end I can see that nobody has clicked on it. So I emailed support and this is what they said. Hi Gordon, as mentioned in the members mailing system, ClickBank links can conflict with our tracking system. Not all hops may register, but sales definitely will. We have seen members come back with ClickBank sale confirmations without hops registering. So what they're saying is their system affects ClickBank system. I don't really understand how that works, but they're saying that there's something in their system doesn't allow ClickBank to register the hops. Now, I don't know if that's right or wrong, so I can't comment on that. I'll keep trying for a little bit longer and see if anything happens, but it all seems a bit suspicious to me. even if they don't register the clicks, out of that 1700 list and 51 clicks, people who have apparently clicked through here, I still have no sales. So I made no sales from that. I also used my own list in GetResponse. It's here as ClickBank test, and this is the results from GetResponse. Now remember, GetResponse are very transparent. You can see everything that's going on with their system. So I only sent this to 730 people, and 43 people opened it. Nobody clicked on it. Nobody clicked on it. So my point is, and what I'm trying to get at, and what I'm trying to get across to you guys and anybody who's new at this or thinking about doing ClickBank, is that it is not a golden ticket. You don't just pick a product with a link and then send it out to your list, because it may or may not work. I've proven here that it hasn't worked, and I've sent it to well over 2,000 people, almost 2,500 people, and nobody's made a purchase. That might just be me, it might be a bad offer, I don't know. But what I'm trying to get across here to you guys is, don't just think by watching somebody on YouTube who's told you that they selected a product, sent a link out, and made $600 in the first month or even the first week. It may or may not happen. Just be aware that this is not an easy thing to do. I will have another go at this in a few weeks' time to see if it makes any difference, so we can update you. And it's a little bit unfair for me to just write off this way of doing things with ClickBank. And I'm pretty sure that I'm going to get some flack from other YouTubers for revealing this, but I feel like I want my subscribers to see what really happens. I want honesty. I want to be completely transparent on my channel, and I don't want to be telling people to spend money where they shouldn't be spending money, because I've been on the receiving end of that. I know what that's like. I know what it's like to spend $50 thinking you're going to make a few $100s and it not working, and you get discouraged. So that's my message today, guys. Just be careful with what you're doing. If you've got a list, it's worth having a go. When it comes to my lead generation, yeah, I'll put a link below. You can have a look at that, bearing in mind that it is $60 to get you started and then $30 a month. You do get a really good list. I say you get a really good list. You do get a lot of people on your list. I'm not sure if it's really good list or not. And but it is a start, and it is really cheap, $30 a month. What I might do next month is I might have a go at actually emailing a ClickBank offer to a really good list by using Udemy or Traffic for Me, but you're talking about 200 or $200-ish for 200-ish clicks, so it's not cheap to do, and I would rather spend that $200 from good traffic going to my offer that I promote, which isn't ClickBank. So anyway, guys, that's it. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell notifications too, so that you can keep up to date with any new videos that I put out. And I am currently putting out one video every day for 90 days. If you've been through my channel, you'll see that I am on a 90-day content challenge, and that's going quite well, but we're not going to discuss that in this video. Anyway, guys, I'll see you next time. Cheers, thanks.